My name is Insaf. This is my spider monkey.
My name is Whitney. These are macaws sitting on a branch in a rainforest. My name is Aisha. This is a cheetah eating leaves.
Hi, my name is Donovan, and I made a picture of an anaconda.
My name is Annabeth, and I made a howler monkey hanging from a tree. My name is Jillian, and I made a leopard.
Hello, my name is Samuel, and this is my tree frog.
My name is Caitlin, and I made a scarlet macaw, and she is sitting on a branch next to a bromeliad plant. My name is Ava Beatty, and I made a picture of two tree frogs. One is climbing, and one is sleeping. One is sleeping. I made it by painting it.
My name is Caleb, and I painted a leopard. My name is Ryan. We did research about basses, lizards. My name is My name is Krish. We researched about anacondas. My name is Jacob. I painted a jaguar painting with an anaconda behind him trying to catch him, and it's raining on him.
Hi, my name is Ayan, and this is my picture of macaw sitting on a branch with rainbow behind them.
Hi, my name is Mubaraka, and I drew a jaguar paint. I made a jaguar out of paint.
Hello, I am Ashton. I drew the picture of two toucans, and I really like them.
This is by Ayandi. This is a macaw. Milkhill made it.
Hello, my name is Ava, and this is a scarlet macaw.
My name is Josiah. I made an excellent picture with a toucan flying toward a tree.